click search below and then type storage settings, and then of course select the appropriate one from the best match results. Great, so now you are going to see an overview of what is taking up space on your computer. Go ahead and click on temporary files, and this is essentially what cache files are. They are temporary files that your computer stores for future use, but too many of a good thing is not always a good thing. Alright, after clicking on temporary files, you will now see a list of categories for temporary files to remove. By default, Windows 11 will choose some for you, ones that it thinks you most likely don't need. And now take a look at this. Let me show you something. Just look at how much storage I will save by just removing those files that Windows chooses by default. Look at that. In my case, nearly 150 gigabytes. That's crazy. Now, I've only had this computer for about, let's see, 7 months, 6 months, and I haven't done this. Just look at how files have quickly piled up. That's insane. And remember, this is just from the categories that Windows by default chose. If you chose additional categories on your own, like the downloads folder, and of course you may want to double check there to see if you have anything important, you will save even more space by choosing additional categories. And that's it. When you're done, go ahead and click on remove files, and bam, you are going to save up a lot of space on your PC. Alright, the second way to clear cache on Windows 11 is by clearing DNS settings. To do that, all you have to do is right click the start button and then select Windows Terminal. From that point, go ahead and type ipconfig space/flush DNS. And of course, if you can memorize this, go ahead and go to the video description. You can copy it from there and then paste it into the Windows terminal and then hit enter. After that, Windows is going to clear the DNS settings for you. This will save you just a little bit of space. Alright, a third way you can clear cache on Windows 11 is by clearing cache from the Microsoft Store. And you can do so from the Windows terminal as well. And of course, remember, it's you right click start and then you choose Windows terminal. Alright, from there, you simply type wsreset.exe and then hit enter on your keyboard. Once you do so, this strange blank window will appear of the Microsoft Store. So what's happening here is that it's trying to clear the cache settings from the Microsoft Store. Once that is done, that weird window will close and then the Microsoft Store will automatically launch. And that's the signal that the cache has been cleared. So as you can see guys, in just 3 ways you've learned how to clear cache in Windows 11. Now of course there are many other ways that you can clear cache. So please feel free to share your favorite way of doing this below in the comments. For more videos like this that are simple and straight to the point, please subscribe and thanks for watching.